Hi fams, welcome back to the NATech channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make visible files that are deleted on your Windows PC in the recycle bin. Now, if you notice that whenever you delete a file, you don't get to see them in the recycle bin, here is how to fix that issue. Now, the first thing is to come to the recycle bin icon on your Windows desktop and then right click on it and click on properties, and then from the properties interface we're going to go with the first disk and just click on these and then make sure that custom size is selected and also select display delete confirmation dialog, then click on apply. Then we go again for the second disk, make sure custom size is selected as well, and make sure that display delete confirmation dialog is also selected and click on apply. So that way, whenever you make any deletion on your Windows PC, they should be visible in the recycle bin. That's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.